Ito na yung third house na ayan oh, Casa Lubao, Pampanga. Ayan. Ito na yung pangatlo, yung Casa Lubao, Pampanga. Ayan.
Okay. So, by the way, you see the train, the green one. So, that train, the Tranvia, it's already functional. And it operates from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so later, if you want to try or you want to experience the Tranvia ride, it's free. Just go to that area. I think the operator is just on lunch break. But later, maybe 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. you can proceed to that side. That's free. Okay? The jeepney is also free. So, that's your service around the resort. So anyway, for our next house, this is Casa Lubao from Lubao, Pampanga. And as of now, this is one of the relatively young houses that were transferred here because this house was only built in 1920s. So that's one of the youngest. If you notice, the first few houses that we discussed were built in 17th century, 18th century, while this one was only built in 1920s in the ownership of Valentin Aracia and his wife, Francisca Salgado. The said couple sponsored the dedication of our former President Diosdado Macapagal. In exchange of their financial help, Diosdado's mother, Madam Romana Pangan, became the wet nurse and laundry woman of the Aracia family. So right now, first floor, this is our activity center. So later, after the or maybe after your lunch, if you want to inquire about the available activities here, we have the boat ride or the balsa ride. We also offer Kalesa ride. If you want to rent a golf cart like that one, we have bicycle, ATVs. So basically, all of the activities in the resort, if you want to inquire, proceed to the first floor. And then second floor, that's our show house. So again, we need to remove our footwear here on this side and then we're going up. So this way please, this is our third house. This way po, dito po magtanggal ang footwear.
Ang laki.
Wala ding-dong. Ding-dong.
Okay, so as you enter the house, you notice this one looks a bit different. It's more colorful, more modern. So as I've said, this one is relatively young, only in 1920s. And again, the house is original. Even the ceiling, the fruits and coefficient on the ceiling, that's original. But the furniture, some of them are antique and then some of them are only replica. And these are made by our in-house artisans from Paerte Laguna and Venice, Pampanga. Okay, so to your right, that's the sala or receiving area. And you will notice that the table and chairs, it's a bit lowered and small. So as I said, Filipinos before were short. But if you take a look at the bedroom, the bed is quite big. So because Filipinos, since they used to have a lot of children, so for example, you have 6, 8, 10, or maybe a dozen children, usually all of your children are going to sleep in one bed, like that one. So it has to be that big, okay? And then let's check out the comedor this way, please. This is the dining. So this is the dining area or the comedor. So of course we have a long table here, and this is also where you can see the old kitchen sink. So this is the kitchen sink. This is where they wash their plates, do their dishes. This is where they put the glass, cups, mugs to let it dry. This is where they put the plates or plato. And this kitchen sink, this is what we call banggera or banggerahan. In some areas, they also call it paminggalan. Okay? And then under the banggera, you can see a small window here. This is what we call ventanilla. So this is for the ventilation of air inside the house. And before, if there was a procession or parade, this is where usually children would watch. Because if you notice, the windows, it's quite big. So it's dangerous for children to peek through the window. So each window of this house has a smaller one under it. So that's called ventanilla. That's for children. Okay? And then lastly, we have here, maybe you can experience something like this. Now, this is what we call, ito po yung tinatawag natin, platera, escaparate, or estante. So basically, it's a china cabinet. And this is where we put our beautiful plates, our china, but we are not allowed to use this. Okay, we're only going to use this if there's some visitors, or if it's fiesta, or any special occasion, so birthday. So on a daily basis, this is just for display. You're not allowed to use unless you have visita. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few minutes now. You can explore the rest of the house. We have another room here. You can take pictures. Welcome to Casa Lubao from Pampanga.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ay, sabi, sa king size. Sa king size nito. Ay, yung aparador, oh. Masarap magtumba-tumba dito, oh. Hala. Ang laki ng ano, oh. Tapos ito yung CR nila. Yes, toilet. Oo. Parang nakakatakot ano, umuuga-uga.
Pero wala tibay. Parang ano lang. Dali.
Oo. Wow. Masarap humiga dyan, oh, pagulong-gulong. Laki ng bed, oh. Ano yung mayroon dyan yun? Nakakatakot naman yun. Baka mabalik. Siya. Kala may tawag. Ang ganda, oh. Yan yung Kalisa ride, oh.
Doon sa kabila, sir. Silhouette, ha? Oo, silhouette. Madilim.